Yo, what's good, y'all? Your boy BOSSCO back once again with another video. This one's a little bit different than what you normally see me do, but I told you I'm trying to start an online team and you guys can be a part of it. Hopefully you guys, if you like this video, you will join the team and let's get this money together. This is a app called Feature Points where you can play games. Excuse my foot in the right corner. You can play games or do surveys for points and convert those points into cash. This is my reference code. If you see this, we will both get some money together, as you can see. So please go ahead and use this code if you do like the video here, and we can get this money together. I'm just going to start doing videos pretty much daily, doing this also amongst all the other content that I do in this channel. If you are new, it's your boy BOSSCO Mitchell. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, aka Survey BOSSCO. But yeah, this is Feature Points. This is my, like I said, reference code, so go ahead and do this, and if you decide to do the app, go ahead and put this in there. So I will get 50% of what you do, but you do get, like, I believe 1,000 points or something like that, reference, something like that. If you use this code, you get a bonus for signing up, basically, pretty much. These are different things you can, okay, not help, I don't want to help. Let's go to, so this is what you can redeem for. You can get Bitcoin, which is new, Amazon, PayPal, Google Play, FIFA 18 points, Pokemon Go, Starbucks, Xbox, Stream, League of Legends, Nintendo eShop, Battle.net, FIFA 16, and there's more that they're adding on here each time. But what you do is you build these points in the corner, these tokens right here, and you can cash out for them. Now, it does take time. It does take a little patience, but you can do this in your spare time, or if you don't have anything going on, just do it all day and you can build up your points faster that way. I like to use the PayPal feature. So like I was saying, my battery went out for a second. This is the app that I'm using, Feature Points. You can get these points right here and turn them into different things, such as PayPal, money. Let's go see. Let me show. You can redeem these points for Bitcoin, Amazon points, PayPal, Google Play, FIFA, Pokemon, Starbucks, Xbox, Stream, League of Legends, Nintendo eShop, Battle.net, FIFA 16. What you do is you accumulate these points by doing surveys. You can do a lot of surveys. You can do, promotion for it, which right here when you get your referral link, how do we click it? Boom, that's mine. If you like this video, just go ahead and add me there on the referral link. I believe you get like a free 100 points, or I forget what it is. Like a couple 100 points you get for free just starting off, and that's my reference code. If you could do that, I appreciate it. I'm trying to build an online team, so if you join and you subscribe to the channel, let me know what's good. It's your boy BOSSCO, man. We out here. Don't mind the one that's on the left side right now. I have that going too. I will explain that in a little bit or in the next video. Just let me know what you guys want in the comment section. But yeah, you can share it here, Facebook, Twitter, Facebook Messenger. I think this is Google also. But let's go back to earn. Show you different ways you can earn stuff here. Usually in this section, there'll be apps that you can download, that you download for a few minutes. It'll give you instructions like this one right here. Let me give you an example of one that I have pending. Let me go ahead and leave that real quick. What I have pending is Looktastic. When you hit that, it'll tell you, earn 80 points, download app now, and use it for 2 minutes and you will get the 80 points, right? I already have that, so it's pending on mine. It's already downloaded. These two right here are pending for me, but that's pretty much what you do. Different ones have different recommendations or different criteria for you to get it. Like this one says, complete these steps to earn 108 points, right? Download the app for free, tap on, go to Play Store, installs, open, sign up for free trial. That's a little different because that free trial you actually have to put a card down, so you don't have to do that. There's all different types of little apps like this that give you different little things to accumulate these points. What I like to do a lot is the surveys. There's Peanut Lab surveys, and they also have tap. There is no tap here right now because I did a bunch of the taps, but there you go. Share videos, you get 50% more. You can make a YouTube testimonial, get 300 points. Once you share for the first time on these three right here, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, you get like 10 points each one. And then that's what you do. You accumulate points. So right now, what I'm going to do is show you guys that this is real. And this is my first time doing it because I've been doing a little bit, but then All-Star Weekend came up. I'm not even going to lie. And I went out and did that, and I missed some days, and I'm disappointed. But I had a good time. I had to give myself that, right? So here's the rewards. Just click on that. And we're going to cash out today. I'm going to do this live with you guys. It's my first time doing it, so bear with me, right? So, okay, let me go back and show you what I got. I got 3,061 points, right? And in order for me to cash out, no, not Google Play, PayPal, right? PayPal, we're going to go to $5 because $3 is 1,800. I have 3,061 points, right? So there's 3,000 right there for $5. Let's get my reward. Wait, did I close it by mistake? Confirm. Ready to buy. You will have 61 points left after claiming this reward. Purchase. Add your email. Your email is used when claiming rewards and when removing devices. Your email. We won't. Okay. Put my email. So you'll have to confirm your email. Thanks for confirming your email. Your email is now registered to your account. You can now claim your rewards and get updates from future points. Okay. So go ahead and go back to future points. Okay, now my email is registered with them. I will go down to rewards and claim my reward. Let's see what happens, y'all. Your reward request is now pending. You'll receive an email once it's ready. So I guess we're going to see what happens now. I'm going to close this out. See what happens when that email goes through, and we'll get back to you in this video. You dig? Okay, actually, it will not be in today's video because after you process it, this is the email you will get. Awesome work. Future points reward. Let me make that smaller. There you go. You read it for yourself. So it's in processing. It takes a couple days for it to actually go through. But once the payment does go through, I will make sure to show you guys that and update it. Like I said, once again, man, Future Points is a dope app, bro. You can get money, passive income without doing too much. You can take, set up multiple devices and do this thing. That's what I do. So you can have multiple accounts trying to get yourself some money because it adds up. Let me show you the levels of PayPal you can get. Right, so I just did this one, $5 for 3,000 points. You got $10, $6,000, $25, 15,000. Boom, right, so forth and so on. 200, 500, 1,000. It maxes out at 1,000, which is 600,000 points of doing playing games. You can download games, right? Let me go back to feature points one more time. You can download the game, do the required step it needs you to do. Once it's done, delete the app, and then start again. Just keep doing it. There's no limit to how much you can do. You can make as much money as you want to. It takes time, but you can do it. I just downloaded this one right now for 252 points. I download the app for free, complete level 1, and I will earn 252 points. So my whole thing was getting this together so I could show you guys a cash out. I did that. Once it does show up in my PayPal, I will show you guys that. So don't worry about that. And yeah, bro, please, if you guys want to join Future Points, go ahead. This is my link. Use that and refer, join the team, trying to join the squad. I'll be doing this as often as possible. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If I can answer them, I will. We're going to grind together. This is not, this is amongst everything else I do on my channel. So hopefully you guys subscribe for one reason or another. Hit the notification bell. It's your boy BOSSCO. Just wanted to show you guys future points once again. And let's get it, man. It's free money. Doesn't cost you nothing to do it, but just a little bit of your time. They do say time is money, so spend your time wisely, But definitely something you can do, bruh. Definitely something you can do. So let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Free Online Money. I believe that's his name. I've seen some of his videos too. I happened to find this because one of my homeboys told me about it, and then I started looking at it. So I looked it up on YouTube, and I also saw that guy doing it. There's a few other people too, but yeah, this is the thing, man. This is one way to get some passive income, feature points. There's plenty of other apps, which is something like right here, what I'm doing right now, which is just letting ads play, and you can get money for it. It's convenient. It's pretty dope. See, then you rate. Perfect timing. You rate it, then you get some tokens, then you get money right here. This represents the money. It's pretty dope. You guys gotta check it out, man. But feature points is what this is about. If you guys want to know more about the other app, let me know in the comment section, and I will. Smash the like button. I'll see you later. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. It's your boy BOSSCO Mitchell. Survey BOSSCO. Peace.